Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming versions so you don't chase a ghost bug. Update Messenger and your OS now. Outdated builds cause theme failures. Once done, back up or sync your settings to preserve custom themes. Restart the device to clear transient glitches and then open Messenger. You're ready to access the AI theme controls. If the AI theme option still isn't visible, make sure your account is enrolled in any beta or feature rollout before continuing. Now dive into the theme controls. You'll go to Settings, choose Themes, and look for the AI theme toggle. Enable it if present. If the toggle is missing or frozen, clear the app cache to remove corrupted preferences. Once cleared, restart Messenger and sign back in. Make sure to also try switching accounts briefly. That forces a settings refresh and can trigger feature availability. These steps fix most in-app configuration problems by rebuilding local state. Finish by customizing and saving your AI theme choices so they apply across chats. If changes don't stick, uninstall and reinstall Messenger to replace corrupted files. This often resolves persistent faults. Make sure to resync backups after reinstalling. If the problem continues, report a bug through the app with logs and screenshots. That gives developers actionable data. One key tip: include timestamps and the exact OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.